Hey there everyone, and thank you for joining us here at Shiba Inu Crypto. This is the final warning from the CEO of Shiba Inu. You have already been warned. News from Shiba on ERC20 token that resides on the Ethereum blockchain, Shiba Inu, which is the world's second largest dog-inspired meme currency by market value, has been consolidating in the zero area of 0.1, 1 to 0 area $0.115 area of the past few days. Shiba Inu is a dog-inspired meme coin. The 50-day moving average of Shiba, which is located around 1,150 cents, continues to work as a magnet to the price action, while the 21, 100, and 200-day moving averages continue to act as a constraint on the upside. We will discuss the most recent warning from the CEO of Shiba Inu in this video. SHIB News says that you have already received a warning already. If you want to view our most recent content on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Share it with your friends and add the channel to your subscription list. The video is about to start, so let's not waste any more time. There are others who believe that SHIB is on the verge of exploding higher, despite the fact that its most recent trading volume has been going higher recently. SHIB trading volumes across exchanges reached an incredible $420 million on Wednesday, according to data supplied from CoinGecko. This figure was reached even before the day has come to a close. The reason for this is that on Tuesday, trading volumes reached their highest level since the middle of March, which was close to $600 million. Since the beginning of the year, the trading volumes of SHIB have been steadily increasing, and the price performance has been performing exceptionally well. For the year, Shiba Inu has seen a roughly 40% increase. Despite the fact that SHIB has been performing exceptionally well since the beginning of the year, it is still below its earlier yearly highs in the $0, $0, $0.1, $6 range, by almost 30%. However, SHIB was able to break above the downward trend from this high point late in the previous month. It is possible that it could pose a threat to a retest of these earlier annual highs if it is able to break away from its cloud of major moving averages, which continued to act as a drag, and get above sufficient in the middle of 11 cents. The fact that Twitter's logo is a Shiba Inu ought to be a positive attribute for the company. Optimism regarding the forthcoming enhancements to the Shiba Inu ecosystem may also contribute to the spread of optimism. Over the next few weeks, you will begin to observe some genuine advancements in connection with the metaverse and everything related to SHIB. According to a recent post made by Marcy Jastro, the leader of the Shiba Inu metaverse development team, to the Discord channel of the Shiba Inu community, which was shared on Twitter by Lucy, a well-known Shiba Inu advocate, on Friday. Shibarium is Shiba Inu's Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. It was recently released in beta form, and its purpose is to reduce transaction costs and provide a platform for the development of a Shiba Inu-specific Web3 ecosystem that still benefits from the underlying security of the Ethereum blockchain's consensus layer. Shibarium was designed to take advantage of the Ethereum blockchain's consensus layer. Major SHIB whales appear to be holding onto their tokens and not giving up, despite the fact that SHIB has experienced a significant pullback from earlier annual highs in the $0, $0, $0, $1, $6 area. The number of transactions that are being carried out by the top 100 Shiba Inu whales has decreased to almost 0 per day since the middle of February, according to on-chain data that was cited by Whale Stats. Previously, the number of transactions made by these whales was in the hundreds. This would imply that whales continue to have a negative attitude toward one another. The question of whether or not SHIB can increase by 10 times from its current levels is a challenging one, at least in the short term. The market capitalization of Shiba Inu would skyrocket to approximately $47 billion if it were to increase by 7 times. In the upper $0.00088 range, SHIB reached new all-time highs, setting new records. The SHIB stock would lose a zero and increase its market cap to more than $65 billion if it were to experience 10 times the gains. And if Shiba Inu developers continue to give SHIB new utility by expanding the scope of the Web3 project's ecosystem, then the cryptocurrency could potentially see gains of 10 times in the next few years. This is because the Federal Reserve of the United States is about to embark on a significant rate-cutting cycle later this year in an effort to prevent a crisis and recession in the United States banking system. According to the one-day chart, Shiba Inu is still unable to break through the key resistance level of $0.0001152. However, one of the largest ship whales is currently buying the dip. Over the course of the past 3 days, the unidentified grand owner of a Shiba Inu, also known as Blue Whale 73, has continued his buying spree, as reported by the crypto tracking service WhaleStats. Yesterday, Blue Whale 73 completed a single transaction that resulted in the acquisition of 148.78 billion SHIB, which is approximately $1.65 million in value. Reportedly purchased 229.96 billion SHIB, which is equivalent to approximately $2.58 million, according to WhaleStats. As a result, the whale has achieved the staggering figure of 378.74 billion SHIB, which is equivalent to $4.23 million, because it has purchased a total of Shiba Inus over the course of the past 72 hours. The buying pressure from the unknown SHIB investor, on the other hand, has not been sufficient to move SHIB upward against the tendencies of the market. Bitcoin whales, on the other hand, continue to have faith in the price of SHIB going up. SHIB continues to be the most popular investment among ETH whales, second only to stablecoins, according to the company's most recent update, which was released at the end of March. A request from the Shiba Inu army was made to Ryoshi, the originator of Shiba Inu, when Shiba Inu 0.1 was the first version of the breed. Both of these visionaries realized that the moment would come to deliver exponential SHIB burns in the form of Shibaria, and they transmitted this information on to Satoshi from there. The initial stage and an indication of what to anticipate has been offered by Token, but many people have not yet been able to comprehend the whole vision of Shibarium until it is brought to fruition. What was noted by Kintaro, the founder of Koyo, in his Medium post is not the KOI smart contract automated 2% tax ship tax burn. Rather, it is the fact that Koyo token burned over 6.1 billion SHIB tokens in only the month of March alone. The major burn is anticipated to take place in the next days. Therefore, get ready for a volume of billions of dollars. You can anticipate receiving millions of dollars in prizes, and in return, you can anticipate receiving SHIB burns that are in the millions with continual burns. A great number of people have inquired, how is it even possible? For some background information, the current market capitalization of SHIB is $6,480,338,680, and circulation is at the same level. A total of 588 trillion SHIB tokens would need to be burned in order to reach the goal of achieving a SHIB value of $0.1. This would involve the burning of 99.999% of the total SHIB supply. The current price of SHIB is 0.0